How are you? Today our recipe is Indian style curry and pakoda. So for this I have taken oil in the pan. Along with that I have taken shahi zeera, and you can add other stuffings as you can add fenugreek seeds, as well as you can add coriander seeds. It will add taste to the dish. So because our family member do like only less stuffing, so I have added only shahi zeera. So along with that I have some other preparations, like I have prepared tadka for this. To this I have added one large onion and 4 or 5 pods of garlic and one chili. That will add spice to the dish, and the grinder I have taken, and now we'll grind this and add this to the tadka. So let's grind. So after grinding all these ingredients, it has become like this, and we have taken a whisk to churn the mixture of this. So after churning, the ingredients have become like this. So we have added a tadka to the oil in the pan that is heated to its boiling point, that we have grinded in the grinder. So flip it till the golden brown and saute it till the golden brown. Otherwise it will taste like raw taste in the dish. So saute it till golden brown, and you can add you can saute it by adding a little amount of salt, so that we can saute it quickly and easily. So guys, it is now going to be golden brown, but it is not yet golden brown. It needs some more time, and it is approximately, you can say, it is golden brown. So saute it lightly, gently, with gentle hands. Now it is appropriate time to add Kashmiri red chili to add delight to the dish, as it will add a bright red color to the dish, which looks good to the eyes. And we will also add coarse ground red chili powder, which will add taste and spice to the dish. Along with that, with the medium or low flame, we will again add a little amount of, or half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, because that is the main spice of the dish. So it should be yellow. So that is why we have added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and all these ingredients are added. Now it is the time to add the whole mixture that we have churned with a whisk, and this is the gram flour with the yogurt, sour's yogurt. And now it is the time to add salt to it, which is the main dish, which is the main ingredient of the dish. So it is like this at this point of time. Now I want to tell you that if you will add chili, Kashmiri red chili powder and coarse ground red chili powder to the dish, don't forget to add a little amount of water to the tadka. Otherwise your chili will become black in color at high flame. So that is why you have to add little amount of salt to it while adding red chilies to it, red chili powder. You can add more water at your own convenience if you find the water level is less, and now turn on the gas to high flame so that it will boil at its boiling point, and then turn the gas to medium flame. One tip for this is when you make Indian curry Punjabi style, it will generally boil and come up to the edges of the container, and it will boil. So that is why, in order to avoid that, you have to put a spatula like this, or a other thing like this in the dish or in the pan, so that it will not boil and it will not overcome the edges. So this is the main thing. Otherwise it will in your absence it may cover, or it may flow from the edges of the container. You have to continuously turn the sides of the water like this. Otherwise it will get burst, or your curd will get burst, and it will not give right consistency to the dish. So that is why you have to unless and until it comes to its boiling point, turn the dish like this. So keep on turning unless it will boil, and after it will get one boil, then cover the container with the help of a plate, a large plate, and with a spatula in the dish, so that it will not flow over the sides of the container. We have added dried methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, leaves into it, and it will add taste to the dish. So you can add it during the time of when you are sorting the tadka, and you can also add it at the end of the preparation and in between or intermediate level. Now guys, our curry has become like this. The texture that we want is this only. So it is approximately cooked. Approximately, it means it is nearly cooked. It is about to be cooked. So it will take some 5 or 10 minutes to get itself cooked. So we have to see itself cooking. So let it cook on the flame till it reaches its final stage. For preparing, pakoras for the dish, for the Indian style curry, I have added gram flour. According to the size of your family, you can take. I have taken one bowl full of gram flour. To this, I have added one large onion and a few leaves of fenugreek and coarsely ground red chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and last but not the least one is the baking soda. So you can add baking soda to it. It will add fluffiness to the dish, fluffiness to the pakoras. I have already told you I have made mixture for making the pakoras for curry. So this is, I have used a little bit of for pouring it into the oil. I have already poured it into the oil in the pan, taken in the pan. So these are the pakoras. These contain sodium bicarbonate, so that is why that is called baking soda. So that is why the bubbles are coming out of the pakoras. That is a normal thing or natural process. Generally it happens. So that is why we have put the pakoras in the pan. And again, when they are cooked properly, because these are the pakoda, these are should be cooked properly, so that is why the name. So when they are cooked properly, then we have to flip to the other side, and when they are cooked from the one side, we have to flip into the other side in order to ensure that they are cooked from the other side also. So we will definitely and slowly flipping it into the other side. We have turned the other side of the pakoras. So you have seen, guys, they are going to be cooked. Now guys, I would like to tell you the one thing that yesterday one of my students said my mom is not at home and ma'am, I am hungry, so I can't come. So I said, what is there? Means you don't have Maggie at home? So guys, he said, ma'am, I don't have money to buy the Maggie because mom took all the credit card, debit card, and money along with her. So that is why, ma'am, I am hungry, so I can't come to the coachings. So that is why. So guys, I would like to tell you that this is the best method, easy and simple way that you can make pakoras at home if you feel like hungry at any time of the day, and make pakoras for you and satisfy your hunger. So that is why this is the best method. And I have already told you that you have to be very cautious while doing the frying work. If being a child or being if you are only at home and there is no one at home and you are feeling hungry, you can make the pakoras in no time like this. Guys, our pakoras for curry is ready. So we will put at the end of the preparation of the curry. So it is going to be cooked within certain minutes, couple of minutes. So guys, you will add pakoras at the end of the dish when your curry is done with the flame. Can subscribe. This is the final shot. This is the final plating of the dish that we have done, along with the rice and a little bit of onion and one green chili large. If you are very fond of, I am very fond of, so that is why I usually take green chili large with the dish. So that is why this is the final touch of the dish. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.